Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be changing the seatbelt buckle on a 2007 GMC Yukon. This is the part we're going to be changing here. I've been looking around for videos for it. I haven't really seen anything specific to this model. This would probably be 2007 to 2014. Also for Tahoe, possibly Escalade. Okay, so the first thing that I did was move the seat all the way back in the back position, and the top moved it all the way forward, and then we're going to access it through the back door. Okay, and you'll see here there is a plastic cover here. I've already popped it loose. Okay, I guess you could take the whole thing out right now. I already got a socket in there. I'm gonna remove the bolt and remove the and see where the wire. Here is the new piece. It has the connector. Okay, and so we're gonna start removing. Okay, the bolt is out. So now I'm gonna loosen the seatbelt off of the bolt there. Okay, so once the bolt is free, then you disconnect the wire right here through the front of the seat. This is the connection right here, so you have to push down the pin and loosen it. I'm gonna go ahead and get that loose and then start to install the new one. Okay, so we have the old buckle out. We're going to begin reinstalling the new buckle. Okay, and then we'll make sure to run the wire back through where the old wire was. There's one clip. You can see the white clip there. It will have to go in through to one of the holes that is preset on the seat, and then it'll clip back into the seatbelt detector. Okay, so I ran the wire. You can see this end here. It's already, the wire's clipped into where it's supposed to be. And now I'm going to get the wire and connect it. Okay, that's connected. Now make sure this is finished tightening up. And then we'll connect this back in. Okay, so the cover is back on. It's completely installed. You can see here it looks factory, and double check that it works. It works, everything's good. Thank you for watching.